Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, so itchy. Using the sandal. Benny might as well. It's kind of itchy. Help. When are these fireworks are gonna start? In a minute. In a minute. When is it gonna start for real? Tomorrow's the 4th of July. Yeah, I know. Look, no, I'm going right here. I'm going right here. Where I am. Right here. Where I am fine. And don't worry, I have the house keys. When we go home, I have the house keys. I got the house keys. I got the house keys. I'll put them away. There you go. Huh. I'm using your shit. Oh, you know what? It's fine. I have another sandal. My turn. Nice. No, sit down. I'm gonna sit down by doing this. See? Now I don't have to be itchy. Why does the creator of the channel get to be laying down on a manta ray? Oh, he scooched over for us. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Oh, I'm gonna lay on these gummies. Me too. Ooh, the snacks. We bought snacks. We bought some snacks. We bought some snacks. It's a good thing. Because we're above a tree. When do these fireworks start? When did these fireworks start?
9 or 9:30.
They probably start at 9 or 9:30. Or they might go on midnight. Midnight! Yeah. We're gonna probably be... Look at the sunset! Ooh, nice. So what time is it right now? Probably like 8 or 7 something. I'm kind of hungry. I'm trying to eat this. Bro, I'm not even hungry. I just ate bacon soup. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. I gotta pee. There's nowhere to pee. Boris, are you serious? Yeah. I'm gonna have to dig a hole in the ground. You're probably gonna have to go right there. Oh my god. Really, dude? I have to pee. Are you serious, Boris? Go up there and go pee. No, I have to. I'm not taking it off. Taking my overalls. No, don't look. Don't look. Blur it. Blur it. Thank you, both. No, there's a mosquito. Mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. I hate the mosquitoes. Put my hand under the covers. Put my hand under the covers. Okay, I'm done. Really, Boris? You almost got it on camera. Yeah. No! Mosquito! What are these? Are these like lily pads? Lily pad frogs? Oh, yeah. Okay. Don't worry, I'll be done in no time. Do you want to do shoutouts? Sure. Shout out to Bendy Plushie time. Bruh, look at this dude. Wait until you see this. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god, what kind of dog is that? I wish Bird was here. Birdie.
I know I was thinking about it, but I don't know if I could bring her, Papa. I did think about it.